Anas versus Kennedy Agyapong.
Yeah.
On defamation. Sa case ya din Ghana. Ama court ato Anas ne suit no gu se asemo a kai no.
Yeah.
On defame no kwa.
Yeah, sure.
Ema judge no describe Anas say investigative terrorist. No ano kai was defame no more.
Yeah.
I know Thomas am the call.
Say ba sa na sa no number month.
Yes. Or they call US. Na US system no. Ya na jury no a dozen.
Yeah.
Nti omo putu 8-member.
Yeah, 8-member jury. Yeah.
Ano mo ye. Na jury bia no. Judge na okra asem no. Emma mo direction.
Okay.
Ye mamo terms of reference.
Yes.
What you should do, what you should not do. Ano omo ye ade no. Eti jury di wie ni case no. Na chese omo atra omo bounce. Akwa awodu niema bia nka omo need that, you know.
Yeah.
Number 2, Kennedy Agyapong ne evidence or the call especially the court ruling near day and say omo botie no omo antie. Oh
really?
Yes. Eti omo ba be yade no Kennedy Agyapong lawyer raise mistrial.
Okay.
Say never be ankoyi. Judge no sustain that, you know, of the mistrial. Number 2, obisa jury no say punitive measures near there na almost ya all the way 8 million, ya all the way 5, and ya all the way 5, it's all 18 million.
Yeah.
Na judge ne say one direct almost a. Eti what kind no mo ka say ebia ye suggest and as I feel near Babasha and ka problem nim.
Yeah.
Eti omo ka say no say omo ko beyond what he directed them to do. Eti judge no dismiss say jury. Now jury decision no enye final judgment.
Okay.
Enye final judgment. Eti publication e course ni ade nyina no eye propaganda.
I see.
Propaganda. Eti judge no amomo 30 days for Ken's lawyers to submit or more argument and answer opinion, whatever. Say juma no mo ye no mistrial.
Okay.
Anu ama announce lawyer so say 30 days say ono so and submit say enye mistrial. Eti ho no mo na answer judge no betena say. Na wama ye can say final judgment
on the case, on the defamation case.
It's not in record of the court.
Okay.
I say your judgment is Kennedy Agyapong your finding no 18 million.
So where from the 18 million issue? 18 million.
Nipa na onu esiu ye no. O esiu defamation was or damages of a year can say
$80 million.
80 million. Na maybe me can be about law. I don't know. But lawyers, you know, when they say omunimpa, jury, or more make a decision, it's not a judgment. Until a judge reads a judgment and say, I've awarded you this. Now, some mistrial a year or more raising and so a great issue and so more. I didn't in a jury. Sa evidence we mwanhwe adentina mwanye we ene ne guy ka so but
this is the story I'm also saying as investigative journalist Anas Arimaya has secured a significant legal victory in the United States, winning an $18 million US dollars defamation lawsuit against former Ghanaian member of parliament Asin Central Kennedy Agyapong. The verdict was delivered by jury in Excel County, New Jersey. The lawsuit filed on May 17, 2022. The County Superior Court accused Kennedy Agyapong and media personality Frederick Samoa of making defamatory statements against Anas Arimaya Anas during an episode of the Daddy Fred Show, an online program popular among Ghanaian audience in the United States. During the program, Kennedy Agyapong allegedly made a series of damaging and false claims, including accusing Anas of being criminal, a thief, responsible for murder of investigative journalist Ahmed Swale. So, fast forward, the court document highlighted several significant allegations made by Kennedy Agyapong, including false claiming that Anas has been convicted of crime in Ghana. That is crimes in Ghana, accusing Anas of orchestrating Ahmed Swale's murder, asserting that Anas was responsible for the death of multiple Chinese nationals in Ghana, labeling Anas as a thief. This U.S. legal triumph came after a setback of Anas in Ghana, where he had an earlier pursued a defamation case against Kennedy Agyapong in 2018. Anas had sought 25 million Ghana cedis in damage, citing defamatory material published by Kennedy Agyapong. However, Accra High Court ruled against Anas on March 15, 2023, citing that the investigative method reassembled investigative terrorism rather than legitimate journalism. It's said in our work, but the award 18 million anytime I'm reading this very particular way.
Sad piece way a propaganda.
I see.
The actual judgment in the bar. That's a judge, a sustain. He say yes, Kokutia. Lafi who say judgment aba. What you say? Okay. It's a jury. Make a decision. Or no doesn't mean say it's a final judgment. So
oko on your online. I don't know, but I think, sir, I need a proper interpretation of this very particular story. Sir, investigative journalist Anas Arumiya has won an $18 million defamation lawsuit against former Kennedy Agyapong. What does it mean?
From court to now, Anas Bijina Hona, you say, Adu Achagum. Okay. Adu Bia Ayade, air publishing. What him say Ghana so there, Asam Toha. A man for any proper checks. Yeah, sure. Any sure. No ubia efa, no bia efa, any song. But I understand. To send your okay. I say the last part of the story. I say meanwhile, the jury's ruling is yet to be approved, otherwise by the presiding judge. So what is the meaning of winning 80 million? Winning 80 million. So yes, it is a final. Can say final judgment, you know. Na se judge ne tena se no ka se sa asem wogina rodo asem no wabogu a afi na ogina bia wa hifa so on dey no e jode ne dey let us see it say for now propaganda piece and the namu judgment no emaye the same case same words that was you should know our superior courts here say because based on the fact now defendant present here any no asema worker no it's not far from you can say right et you know what 2 months later no one sorry say all the US abrochi obunkongodi eho no man say mama say abrochi for there omo hwe crep omo no omo nim we a niama esiko omo ntitwi twi no pese bra what we say na no Kennedy church mo abi ehu say the dwuma no ye entrapment what you say sure because me ma ba kojo ho na say kojo ma me bribe a see edi ngomo yeah sure eti ne ma kan ye kojo aka ese obodi yina de eti that dey ntina se me kaba ko me here $10,000 na me de no abo de kojo kan de wo mo na fe wu na wo ma commentary on it what kind of business no eti comment na wo ma no ene na manfo tie na hope kokwaje bribe and wo ye say but nkomodu mu na bibia di ho akojo kan ya eyedey e ba abonti eti I don't know ye de kwanifa eti amanfo enka omakuma ento omuyem te say 30 days no beso na judge na tenase na te say wama the final verdict on this eti for now no 3 days as a propaganda piece Mati ana in US so no once one demand share you dan kokko to them all what do get no man yi ni na o yi ni na yeah eti okoko tira ho obi ehwe no say anase that you eti ye krom ha say dey njira amanfo say eh
no they not should those by money yeah
what money ye bibia e cha na share ko oyi bibia
I see
eti no what honum so no atwitwa picture da beto no the picture ba mu bohu nanim
anti yonwa
wo say
yonwa
be say on betwi on the pictures in the videos beba from the port obi abehu no
I see